The Spectrum TV app allows Spectrum subscribers to stream live TV, on-demand content, and DVR recordings directly on their Google TV device. First, ensure your Google TV is connected to the internet. Open the Google Play Store app on your Google TV. Use the search function and type Spectrum TV. Locate the official Spectrum TV app, which should have over 50 million downloads as of August 2025 and a 4.5-star rating. Click Install and wait for the download and installation process to complete. Ensure your device has at least 200 megabytes of free storage. After installation, the app icon will appear on your Google TV home screen. Once the Spectrum TV app is installed, launch it from your Google TV home screen. You will be prompted to sign in with your Spectrum username and password. Alternatively, you can use a one-time code, which can be obtained through the Spectrum website or mobile app for a more secure login. The app supports two-factor authentication for enhanced security. After successfully signing in, you can browse live TV channels, explore on-demand content, or access your DVR recordings. The app integrates with Google Assistant for voice search. Recent updates, like version 25.4.1, have enhanced streaming stability and support 4K HDR playback for select channels. If you experience buffering, especially during peak hours, Spectrum is continually optimizing its network to improve performance. Make sure your Google TV OS is up to date for optimal app functionality.